Welcome to the kitchen of Mr. Hamiham. Mr. Hamiham will make a delicious Californian cocktail in combination with orange juice, honey, strawberries, dates, and kiwi slices. First, you can put all ingredients step by step inside the shaker. First, you can put the kiwi slices inside the shake. Put the dates on the top of the kiwi slices. Put the strawberry inside the shaker. Put the honey on top of the fruit. And finish this delicious Californian cocktail with the orange juice. Close the shaker. Shake all ingredients together. I think the shake is ready. Open the shaker. Serve in the glass. This is the result of Californian cocktail from the kitchen of Mr. Hamiham. Salute everyone! Hopefully you enjoyed the cooking show of Mr. Hamiham and hopefully see you on the next time on the cooking show of Mr. Hamiham.